So tomorrow we're going out in the field, back to the cave, back to do some feral cave science, back to collect samples. So what does Chaos Lab use for their sample collection kits? How do we do it? Each one of these bags contains everything that we need in order to sample one specific sample site. So I'll bring a whole bunch of these for however many sites I want to sample. We are collecting water, we are collecting sediment, and we are collecting swabs. So for water, we use these water collection tubes. They're 100 milliliters, and we scoop it in the water pools in the river and the spring, or we literally stand underneath the stalactite and hold it up and wait for it to drip forever into our sample collection tubes. This is for geochemistry analysis, ion analysis, and hopefully microbes in the future. We have 50 milliliter conical tubes. This is where all of our sediment goes. We scoop our sediment with these sterile spoons or scoops. This is going to be for our microbial diversity analysis and also geochemistry done on the sediment itself. And then we keep it around in case we need to do anything like what genes are in there and what proteins are in there. This 50 milliliter conical tube also contains 70% ethanol. We throw the sediment in here, we shake it up, get that ethanol all in the sample to kill off any microbes in there because we want to know metabolites with these. We don't want the bacteria or microbes to keep producing metabolites when we're in transit. We don't want that to skew our results. We want to know what it looks like in the cave. So that's why we have it in ethanol. This is a swab. So we'll swab the cave walls or the speleothems to collect surface bacteria or microbes. And the way we do that is we'll open up our swab. It's nice and sterile. We'll spin it around and get all over the wall or speleothem. And then in our 15 milliliter conical tube that has phosphate buffered saline in it to keep those microbes from totally drying out, we'll stick our swab in, snap it off, screw the lid on, and now we have our swab sample. One of the most important things we have, because we're a micro lab and a biomedicine lab, is we make sure to pack gloves and ethanol. This is to keep our own skin microbiota from getting into our samples. We want to know the samples in the environment, not the samples on us. So we throw our gloves on before we do anything else with sample kits. We open up the ethanol pack because when you're putting your gloves on, you're touching your gloves, so it's already contaminated with skin cells. And wipe off those contaminating skin biota. And that is the Chaos Lab Field Sample Collection Kit version 8.0. So I forgot one thing. This here's our rock sample collection bag, because what kind of geologist would we be if we didn't collect rocks?